Hey guys, I got a couple of jobs that I want to use my MP30 Mini Excavator for. Follow along, we'll see if we can make some messes. I checked the oil, we're good, absolutely right to the full to the top. This thing up. It is the next day, and I'm not sure if this is the 20-yard load or the 22-yard load, but we've got a load of granular-B with fines mixed in. This is what I was waiting for to show up. Definitely be able to get this done easily. We'll just pull that in with the excavator. This part back here, though, obviously has a little bit more work we got to do. We'll get the grass from the fence all the way across in front of the excavator. This pile here we'll push over into the other pile. Basically, I want to turn this whole area into a gravel parking pad. Once we get that laid down, see how much of the 22 yards we have left. I think we'll probably still have lots. And I want to continue this and continue the parking pad beside the tent shelter here. Let's check the oil and hydraulic fluid on this thing, make sure that we're still in good shape, and we'll get going on it. Well guys, I think we got a little bit of a hole in the gravel here. I think I'm going to call it quits for this evening. Starting to lose daylight. And it's starting to rain. Starting to get the gravel. I'm getting the gravel spread out. Obviously it's going to need a whole bunch more. I'm probably going to need the Bobcat to do it. I might try doing it a little bit in the Polar trailer with the side-by-side, but I think that's going to take too long. We'll end up borrowing Father's Bobcat and bringing it in. Got the sod cleared out of here. I'm quite happy with how this has turned out. We'll lay some gravel in here. Maybe a little bit more cleanup has to happen right in here, but for the most part, that's pretty decent. Get a layer of gravel in here, and I don't know that I'm necessarily going to park anything here, but pulling in and out of the shelter with something long, like the Corvette or another vehicle or the Argo, whatnot, it's easier if you've got some gravel to park on. So that and this grass was a pain in the butt to cut, so now it's gone. I think we'll come back at this again tomorrow evening and we'll see if we can make a little more progress. But that's it for now.